What's up, guys? Only so namhlanje sasokwenza i-weekly focus. So njengoba nazi mesenze i-weekly focus, guys, it's more like we are looking for what is going to happen throughout the whole week. So let's start on our weekly time frame. So njalo mina mengi-analyze i-chart, I'm always starting with the XY, which is the dollar index. Just to understand ukuthi it's either i-dollar ligena strength noma i-dollar lose strength. So guys, as you can see, lana ati sine-pattern yethu i-dollar kade lenze njani li-stuck-e kuyona. So we also had our previous resistance la kade siyini siyi-support. So let me just jump to one daily time frame and just go to daily time frame. So as you can see, this is our third touch on our trend line, on our resistant trend line. So with that touch, we resistant trend line, and we see in then sibone i-market ibanjani iba-effective, then you push it to the downside. But we also have to bear in mind ukuthi le zone esikuyona, it's our previous resistance, isiyini manje, it's our support. So yazi i-resistance mi-break yashintsha ibe support. So as soon as the market isilana, we want to see prices giving us in there ama-rejection kule zone lo. So njengoba ubona ukuthi we're getting in there a lot of rejection kule zone. So this is our 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, we're getting a lot of rejection kule zone there. So we can get a price from pushing to the upside or a price from pushing to the downside. But then you usually understand when you're doing in the market structure. So I mean, I'm not gonna go much in details in terms of knowing which price is will push it to the upside or to the downside. But for now, I mean, it hasn't confirmed. So let's go to USD, or let's start from USD. So if you're gonna go to our weekly time frame for USD, so guys, USD has been pushing all the way to the upside, guys. It's been pushing all the way to the upside. So ever since we broke in there, our previous resistance, we've been pushing all the way to the upside. But market akaze yabuya yazokwenza njani, yazo-retesta i-structure set before giving us that in there for a movement, a push it to the upside. So as soon as we broke the structure, let's asikaze sabuya sazo-retesta i-resistance yethu. I mean, resistance in order for ukuthi sazi ukuthi isi-support before we get prices pushing to the upside. So that's why i-market kade yenze njani imuva nge-correction way. So i-market has kade push it to the upside. It was giving us ama-lower high nama-higher high, which is a bullish movement, but ngendlela kade imuva ngayo to the upside, it was moving in a corrective way. As ungayibona nje ukuthi it's moving in a corrective way. So I mean, I'm still waiting for i-market to break in the margin line yam. So if it's breaking my guideline, if you break the guideline, that's when I'm gonna start looking for any selling opportunity to the downside. So as you can see, guys, this will be in the change of a structure. So as soon as the market breaker in the zone, there is gonna be a change of structure. But I'm still have to wait for a market to retest that, then I can take selling opportunities from here all the way to the downside. So same thing as the Nasdaq. Nasdaq and USD, they more move in a similar way. So njengoba ubona la, we've been pushing to the upside. Nasdaq, we've been killing Nasdaq all the way to the upside. So itakade sengifuna ku-Nasdaq, let me just jump to my daily time frame. I'm just waiting for it to touch on my trend line, guys, on my resistant trend line, in order for me to get in the selling opportunity ezoba njani, ezoba right. And guys, also bear in mind ukuthi Friday we have in the NFP, and the NFP on Friday, ama prediction ukuthi i-dollar lizoluza in its trend, which means Nasdaq will be buying, gold will be buying, or USD JPY will be selling all the way to the downside. But I mean, I always prefer to trade indaba after news release, because leyo prediction isangena njani isangashintsha. So ngaso sonke isikhathi, don't trade the best win with prediction. Trade at the actual news or the actual direction in down. So even if in the Nasdaq, I'm still waiting for to push it up and getting confirmation in terms of ama-candlestick ukuthi azo-reacta kanjani. Ngibona ukuthi it's gonna give me those selling opportunities noma isazopusha to the upside. But if inganikela ama-selling opportunity, I'm not willing to buy in the Nasdaq all the way to the upside. So let's go to gold. Guys, even gold, guys, gold been pushing all the way to the upside since I think since from since from 19 Feb, gold been pushing all the way to the upside, guys. It's been pushing all the way to the upside. And I also think it gold might hit, I don't know, but it might hit 3,000 point if you're gonna break the structure resistance now. Because guys, as you can see, this was the previous resistance ekade njani ekade ihluleka igolide ukuthi li-break, but finally last week we managed ukuthi senze njani to break above the resistance, and now imarket senze njani, it's trading above the resistance. As much as the market engakabuyi to give us a retest in order for us to confirm ukuthi are we gonna be looking for any buying opportunities all the way to the upside. So guys, when it comes to the charts, you must always have to wait. You have to be patient in order for it to set up your journey in place. Since Lana market is break it to the upside, we didn't get a retest in order for us to see the zone is gonna hold the price from pushing all the way to the upside. In the journey push it to the downside. So for now, I don't have any say in the week gold, are we gonna push to the upside or are we gonna push to the downside? But if dollar is gonna lose strength, we're gonna see more momentum of gold pushing all the way to the upside. But if gold for Yona, I'm still waiting for at least the pullback, then we can see price is pushing all the way to the upside. So I'm gonna get in the confirmation will zone the if imarket iyahluleka break le zone, that means I'm gonna start looking for buying opportunities in gold. But I can also get in the market pushing to the downside, breaking the zone. If we so retested, then we start seeing in the selling opportunity and a gold. But for now, I'm still waiting ukuthi imarket is a zone before I can say ukuthi I'm gonna be buying or I'm gonna be selling. So guys, be patient when it comes to the chart is very important. Be patient. It's not like you trade each and every day, but we have to wait for a setup to come in place in order for uthathe ama-position based kwi-low analysis the. So even you can see guys in there, we had USD CAD been pushing to the upside, guys. USD CAD has been pushing to the upside. It's been pushing to the upside because USD CAD, the only thing that I know about USD CAD, we're in a consolidation phase. So every time when the market gets to the bottom point, which is our lowest point, which is our support level, it's always going to push to the upside. When it gets to the resistance, it's always going to push to the downside. So it's more like we are consolidating. So sometimes it's not good to trade the consolidation market, but if you know how to trade it, you have to take advantage on trading it. But also, I'm waiting for the market to push it to this point in order for me to take a selling opportunity. If dollar is gonna lose in its trend, then I'm gonna take selling opportunities all the way to the downside. So this week, because week and NFP, sometimes the week NFP is not tradable. So sometimes ungalinda zize iphume iy'ndaba ze-NFP in order for you to take opportunity right. Because guys, iy'ndaba they control the market in terms of force. Isinika information long term ukuthi what is going to happen with the market. So in order for us to know what's going to happen with the market, let's in daba, which is NFP, which is a PUM, to tell us what is going to happen throughout the whole month. Throughout the whole month and March. But for now, when it comes to USD, I'm just waiting for to push all the way to the upside with resistance, so I can see if the dollar is also going to lose strength, then I can take a selling opportunity from my resistance all the way to the downside. So let me go to GBPUSD also. GBPUSD is near. So GBPUSD, guys, GBPUSD, guys, it's been pushing all the way to the upside. And we also had GBPUSD pushing to the downside. Let me just remove the analysis thing now. So we also had the USD, GBPUSD. I was looking for my buying opportunities because every time when it's pushing to the downside, it's going to give us a big rejection to the downside, which means the market will want to push to the upside. You have to listen with the market team before you take on my entry. So now we had the biggest turning point from our previous chart. So this is our biggest turning point. Jump on market in push all the way to the downside. About this was our previous support into resistance, support into resistance to support. Then now the market is rejecting while I'm resistant, we is on it. So if you're gonna see buying opportunities or buying patterns when it's come to candlesticks, in order for us to all buying opportunities or all the movement to the upside. But I'm always using a market structure in order for me to see what market in Japan. As long as the market is still creating in there, because as you can see, we have this high, then we had the lower high, because this high lena, the high lena, it's smaller than this high. So this is our lower high. We also had the low lana, and we also had the lower low, because this low is lower than this low. So we can still see the market giving us those push to the downside because of the structure that's giving us the bearish movement. So in order for me to understand what this structure is changing in terms of what for my buying opportunities, I have to see market energy breaking my previous lower highs. I have to see with market energy breaking my previous lower highs, which is this one. I have to see prices pushing to the upside. It break at this point. In market is already touched at this point without breaking to the downside. Then I can see prices pushing all the way to the upside. The market is obviously creating a lower high than a higher high. So that's how when I analyze, but there's more to that. So and keep owning, but there's more to that in order for you to understand how to go about analyzing the chart. You have to wait, you have to be patient as a stock is cut. So for me, when it's the first week, we month. Sometimes I stay back. It's not good to trade because the NFP is always when I bring in the low change of the market at a certain currency pair or indice. Our sellers involved or our buyers are involved to push the market to a certain direction. So sometimes we'll blend the NFP with the pullman, then you're going to be trading in a good way. So I think next week is going to be a tradable week. Because this week it's not like you can't trade. You can trade. This depends which way now more trade from trader. So guys, I hope is a trader, and there's NFP coming up this week on Friday. So make sure you alert about that. Make sure, guys, you don't trade NFP before, you trade NFP after, in order for you to trade the actual movement or the actual direction on NFP. I would to trade the prediction direction.